back. The best developer in the world.
So I'm Gilad. I'm the new CMO in DAV network.
So I'm Daan van der Zwaag, and I came here as a UX engineer.
We should have unit tests for the UI layer as well.
Basically, I feel like this room, the developers room, is way more cool. Like they have here like cactus and like a big middle interesting place to go. We got Shachar on the right and Anatoly on the left. They have a parking lot here for mopeds, which is cool.
Hey WeeklyDAVers, what's up? You've probably noticed by the opening sequence that we moved into our new office. Lots of style, great view, some DAV art. We also have two new members to our force, which I will let them introduce themselves during this episode, and of course some technical updates from our developers about what they're doing this week.
So I'm Gilad. I'm the new CMO in DAV network. I'm joining the team after 2 years experience in the blockchain industry. I'm very happy to be here and to join the team. I'm planning to meet everyone here, to get to know the company, to learn about the goals and what we really want to achieve here. And also to do some arrangements in the marketing team to understand better our goals, to try and aim to new goals of branding, but also for business development side. And also, of course, to support our community with materials, with background, with information, with everything they need in order to keep supporting the company and do a great job as well as they're doing now.
When later on, for example, Dan completes the part of the UI, then we could go back and do the UI tests, right?
So I'm Daan van der Zwaag. I'm Dutch. I was not born in Amsterdam, but I've been living in Amsterdam for a year. And I came here as a UX engineer. So what I do, I'm like right between the user and the technology. So I make interfaces. And right now DFV has is making a driver hailing app. I look to it from like an objective perspective, like how is the user going to interact with it and how is it going to use the software. And I make adjustments to this UI. And then I look at the total flow, like what's the user gonna do and in which context is the user and how is it behaving and how can we make the user as happy as possible. While making the designs, when I'm finished, I'm doing also the front-end development of parts of the design. And I'm now trying to learn React as well, since we're working with React. And so yeah, I'd draw the bridge in between the humans and the technology in this sense.
Is there a checklist for the UI testing that we currently have?
We should have unit tests for the UI layer as well.